Direct and indirect speech. How to change direct to indirect speech. So to change to direct to indirect speech, you have to follow certain rules. First of all, children, there should be no confusion in tenses. If you are having confusion in tenses, then you will not be able to understand or you will not be able to change direct to indirect properly. If you have any confusion in tenses, please tell me, otherwise, you will not understand properly. So, this is called direct speech or narration, and this is called indirect speech or narration. So, first of all, as I have told you, rule number one, that if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, then reported speech will not change at all. Only you have to inverted commas in replace inverted commas with that, and remove all the punctuation marks except full stop. See, remove all punctuation mark. Bali says that there is no ink in the ink pot. Now, rule number two, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the verb in the reported speech will change to past tense. You have to change the verb, children, okay? You have to change the verb. Simple present becomes simple past. Like Sita said, Kamla works very hard. This is in simple present tense. Reported speech is in present tense. So, it will change into simple past tense. Sita said that Kamla worked. Now you again see you have to change the verb. Verb you know na? Doing words. Anything you do are verbs. So, Kamla worked very hard. First, don't forget to remove all the punctuation marks. Okay? Only full stop you don't have to remove. Anil said Rita sings daily. Anil said that Rita sang daily. It is easy na? Now, the present continuous becomes the past continuous. So, present continuous helping verb is are. And past continuous is was, were. So, see, that's why I have told you there should be no confusion in tenses. Then only you will do all correct. He said Raman is working hard. So, present will change into past continuous. He said that. Replace inverted commas with that. Raman is working will change into was working. Why? Because present continuous. What is present continuous? Is ing. You know na? So it will change into past continuous. Was working hard. He said the headmaster is sleeping. He said that the headmaster was sleeping. Remove all the punctuation marks. Only full stop you will not remove, and you will start with capital letter. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Now in direct speech, and what is the helping verb of present perfect? Has, have, and helping of verb of past perfect is had. So, and you have to change verb. Gopal said Hari has done this work. So see how this very is Gopal said that. Okay. And remove punctuation mark. Has will had done his work. Okay. She said Kamla has written the letter. Now in indirect speech, she said that Kamla had written the letter. Now see very important one. May will change into might. Can will change into could. Now in direct speech he said. Now you know na that you have to remove all punctuation marks in indirect. He said the boy may pass. Now in indirect he said that, and the of course when you will write after when there will be no full stop, then the will be in small alphabet. Okay. He said that the boy may will change into might. He said that the boy might pass full stop. Remove all the punctuation marks except full stop. I said I can do the sum. I said that I could. You can see now, I could do the sum. The simple past becomes past perfect. Hari said Ashok returned at noon. Now simple past becomes past perfect. So past perfect is had. Okay, you know past perfect is had. So Hari said that Ashok had returned at noon. He said she came at 8. She said that she had come at 8. Children, please write down learn. Rest of the thing I will explain you tomorrow. Please write down learn here and learn all the examples properly. Then only you will understand. See, it is very, very important that tenses you should know very well. Then only you will be able to change it properly.